Hello, binary bot enthusiasts. It's your boy, the AI millionaire, back at it again, with a lit binary bot strategy. No. To my new homies, welcome to the squad. And for my OG viewers, you already know the deal.
Wait a minute.
All my ninja viewers, grab your swords and strike that subscribe button. Let's get this party started.
Welcome to the Millionaire channel. Welcome, baby.
Subscribe to the gang.
Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video, my beloved people. Just a quick heads up. This video is purely for educational purposes and not financial advice, okay? Now that we have that out of the way, let's dive into the meaty stuff. Today we're going to talk about the most critical steps in becoming a profitable trader. Yes, you heard it right. Whether you're into binary options, forex, or even crypto, these rules will take you from zero to hero. Rule number 1, baby. You gotta develop a solid trading strategy. And when we say solid, we mean S-O-L-I-D. Your strategy must have strict conditions that trigger your entry into the market, and you should follow them religiously. None of that maybe stuff, okay? You need to have a clear understanding of the market and use both technical and fundamental analysis to identify the conditions and determine if they are met or not. And don't forget about entry points, stop losses and targets or take profit. Rule number 2, pay attention. You must apply proper risk management to your trades. Trust me, the only way to win in trading is by having a proper risk management plan. You gotta set stop losses, my peeps. In binary options trading, you can do this by setting a certain amount of money that you're willing to risk, and it should not exceed 10% of your account. For Forex, set your stop loss at least 1 ATR above your entry candle. And don't forget, don't hold on to your losses for too long and don't overtrade. That's rookie behavior. Rule number 3, this one's for my emotional peeps. Keep your emotions in check and stay disciplined. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Emotions are the biggest enemy of traders, and we've all been there, done that. Had a bad day and then start making impulsive decisions? I've been there, and I know the pain. It's crucial to always keep a cool head and stay out of the market if you're not in the right headspace to trade. And never forget, don't let your wins get to your head, and don't let your losses break your heart. Last but not least, you gotta do back testing, forward testing, and keep a detailed journal of your trades, my traders. This will help you identify any patterns in your trading results and improve your strategy. If you incorporate these tips, trust yourself, and trust the process, you'll be swimming in profits. Comment down below which of these cardinal rules you are struggling with the most. Is it developing a solid trading strategy, applying proper risk management, keeping emotions in check, or maybe even the dreaded task of keeping a detailed journal of your trades? Don't be shy, my friends. Let me know what's tripping you up and I'll give you some simple steps to help you get out of that slump. Now, my binary bot enthusiasts, listen up. I'm giving you the chance to win my premium bot, and I'll pick 5 random comments on this video. All you gotta do is subscribe and leave a comment below, and if you've already commented on the rules that challenge you, put binary bot in brackets at the end of your comment. And guess what's next, folks? We're going to talk about candlestick patterns in the next video. Don't worry if you're not familiar with them. We'll dive deep into them and show you how to analyze the chart and find good entry points for auto trading, semi-automated trading, and manual trading as well. Alrighty then, my lovely people, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that subscribe button, and if you're feeling frisky, hit that notification bell too. And now, I gotta go find me a honey with a juicy ass, if you know what I mean. Peace out, mwah!